unbox with me the new Oishi Sake Spritz Sampler Gift Pack. I love that they ship it straight to your door and the packaging is so thoughtful. It's perfect to bring to any party or as a housewarming gift. It comes with a 4-pack of 12-ounce cans, one of each flavor, and honestly, the cans are adorable. Bright, bold colors, detailed artwork. It truly feels like a collector's item. The cans themselves are bigger than I expected, which is a major pro. But the best part, they're non-GMO, gluten-free, kosher with only 6% ABV, under 3 grams of carbs with 0 added sugar. And the taste, oh my gosh. It's so refreshingly good. You truly have to try this for yourself. It really is the better for you cocktail.